It's like a beast singing. And I was...
Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and for watching this video. I am back. I'm with my friend here, Frank, and we'll be doing this reaction video for you guys. Am I having a low battery right now? No. I was checking the battery. Yeah. But yeah, we are back. We will be I'm stuttering, dude. What is wrong with me? We will be reacting to Azlan and a Typewriter. They got a new song out. This one is their music video. Yeah, official music video, and it's from Indie Digital Music YouTube channel, and I'm very excited to watch it. It's been a while, it's been a long time since my last reaction for Azlan. So without further ado guys, let's go check this out. 1, 2, 3. So they're a rock band. And I love this dude's voice. It's just unique. Jangan, Khianati aku. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I only know aku.
Wow.
It's the tone, right?
Okay. Very unique.
Yeah, right?
There you go.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, man! We just started and he's already like up there. I was killing it.
Wow, love the strings. Did you hear those? Yep.
Nice. The strings are really nice.
There.
This song is hard.
Makes you get hot.
Yeah. I'm glad you're getting his hands. It's not even getting tired. It's really great.
So much power in his voice.
Oh my god. It was like,
Yeah. Driving?
yeah. Oh my gosh. Can't breathe through though. Oh, that was it. That was it. So it's gonna end like fading, like that.
I like it from the moment.
So that's his band. And their name is Azlan Typewriter.
Okay.
I don't actually know why they have this kind of name, like Typewriter, but if you guys know, tell us in the comment section down below. That's him talking. Okay. Dude!
Yeah.
That was surprising, that was shocking. This song was really hard.
Yeah,
right?
I think it's like a beast singing, and I was
That's
like
the best
to move my
description,
body.
dude.
Yeah.
Beast. And if I would be going to a rock concert, that would be the exact right performance level that I would want from the singer and from the band. Like there's intensity, and of course those vocals are to die for. Like he was hitting all those notes. Those are really high notes, dude, I'm telling you. And Azlan and Typewriter, no, you have not failed us in any way in this performance and music video. That was really good. That was perfect. And you know what? There is this like a competition in Malaysia. It's called AJL.
AJL. Okay.
And I hope that this song gets through AJL for next year because
maybe,
it's really
maybe
good.
you'll win.
Yeah, it's
Quite good
and
performance.
in that contest, whatever they're singing here is gonna be even more beautiful in the live because they will be singing the stage.
Okay.
So it's like their performance to win, and he's gonna do even more, I guess.
Yeah.
So I really do hope that this song gets through, and if it's not gonna get through there, it's still okay. It's fine. He's still got a great voice, and
You still like him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's really good. He's really great, and congratulations to everyone in this band. You guys did a great job. Thank you guys for letting us watch this video. That was really good. Frank enjoyed it.
I very enjoyed.
You like rock songs?
Yeah. It made me
So,
feel very happy, pleasant.
It's this kind of voice is actually really what they adore in Malaysia, like those voices with rock edges to it. So yeah, and really learning to love these kind of voices in this genre. So thank you guys. If you got more videos you want us to react to, you know the drill. Comment them right down below, and if you got any opinion or comments about this video and whatever it is, just comment down below as well. And you can reach out to us via our Instagram accounts and also our other social media accounts down in the description box right down below, guys. If you like this video, you know the drill. Thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you again in our next videos.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Oh my gosh, man! We just started and he's already like up there. I was killing it. Oh, love the string. Did you hear those?
Yep.
Nice. The strings are really nice. This song is hard.
Makes me feel hot.
Yeah, but you're getting his hands. It's not even getting tired. It's really great.
So much power in his body.
Oh my god. Look at him. He was like,
Driving?
yeah. Oh my gosh. I can't breathe, dude. Though. Oh, that was it. That was it. So it's gonna end like fading, like that.
I like it to know the moment.
So that's his band. And their name is Azlan Typewriter.
Okay.
I don't actually know why they have this kind of name, like Typewriter, but if you guys know, tell us in the comment section down below. You guys him talking. Okay.